In today's video, I'll show you how to install and configure Python in Unraid. Python 3 for Unraid installs Python 3, PIP, and setuptools into the Unraid operating system. There's no library issues, it's fully compatible with Unraid 6 and 7. Let's get Python 3 set up. Before we get started, have you signed up to receive our newsletter? It's a monthly publication with Unraid news, written out guides, and more. Also, come join us on Discord. It's a growing community where you can post questions and answers to tech questions, along with just hanging out with like-minded people. Join now so you don't miss out. I've left links to both in the description. On to Python 3. In the past, NerdTools was a common application that you'd install to get Python 3 installed in your Unraid system. That's no longer supported in Unraid 7, so that's where Python 3 for Unraid comes in. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Apps, then in the search box, I'm going to type in Python 3, and then you'll see here Python 3 for Unraid. We're going to go ahead and click onto that one. You'll see it's right here in the list. Once you find it, go ahead and hit install. We're going to wait for it to install, and then when it's done, we're going to hit done. But while that's installing, why don't you come join us in Discord? The link's also in the description. There you go. That was pretty quick. Took less than a minute. Going to hit done now. So now in the future, if you need to update it, or if you want to check and see if an update's available, you can go to plugins. We'll let it load up. You'll find Python 3 for Unraid in the list here, right there. And if there's an update, it'll say update. The better option is to use the auto update applications plugin, which I've covered in a previous video. And if you don't have that, I'll leave a link to it just so you can go check it out. It's a nice handy little feature and I use it all the time. Actually, it uses itself all the time because it automates the process. But that's it. I just wanted to get this out there real quick. It's a quick, easy way to replace the NerdTools plugin that had the Python stuff available in it, but that's no longer there, so now we have this option. With that being said, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Then check out one of these next. And I'll see you in the next one.